back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, very easy. I mean really easy, very few ingredients. Mint and pea soup. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients. There's really nothing to this soup. It's super easy. So I've got some peas there, garden peas. They were frozen. What I've done, I just washed them in some cold water. There's about 400 grams there, all out one of those bags you get. Here, potatoes. I've got 3 potatoes that I've cut into small pieces, 1 onion, and some fresh mint. There's a nice big bunch of fresh mint. If you wanted, you can be using dried mint. I like fresh mint in this one. We're gonna start this off with a little bit of oil. We're gonna add water, salt and pepper. That's it. It is super easy and it is beautiful. Okay, watch this. It really is easy. In there I've got some oil. I'm using some sunflower oil. We're gonna drop in that 1 onion. We're on a medium heat, by the way. We're gonna drop in those 2 or 3 potatoes. We're gonna drop in our peas. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some black pepper. And like I said, if you wanted, you could be using some dried mint. Some people also put some celery in here, or maybe a few little carrots. I'm just gonna go with this mixture here, just these few items. Okay, 4 to 5 minutes, medium heat. Let's just saute these around for a little bit. Okay, let's just kind of pull it together for a few minutes. What I like to do now is get half of my mint, fresh mint in now, and then some more a bit later. We're simply going to add some water. I'm not using stock or anything, just water. And there's enough to cover it, and maybe a centimetre. Turn the heat up, get the lid on. That's going to be about 15 minutes, and at that point we're ready to liquidize it, and it's done. Super easy. So I've just taken the lid off. I'm going to turn the heat off now. Those potatoes are really soft, and that's what we want. We need to liquidize this. So I've got one of these guys that goes in. We have a little whiz up on that, or you could put it into a Robo Chef or something like that. Let me get on with that. I'll be back in a moment. So yeah, as you can see, that is very thick. It's maybe a bit too thick for what I want, so I'm going to add a little bit more water. And I'm going to grab the rest of our fresh mint, drop that in, and go for another minute or so. Okay, and there you go. Check that for salt. It's going to be fine for me. We've got ourselves a lovely, super easy mint and pea soup. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon just below for notifications. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.